Okay, let's look at next question. This is about a cancer patient. Is it a cancer? Wait, lymphoma. Supposed to be cancer actually. Yeah, but anyway, this you see, cancer cell. This is a cancer. So now, when you're treating a cancer, they ask you, what is the diet? Again. Going back to the very simple thing over here. Whenever you are having a menu suggestion or whatever, you should always remember you always have what? Your 7 classes of food. You always have your 7 classes of food. So please remember this. What do you have? You have carbohydrate, protein, lipid, and the others. You have vitamin, mineral, fiber, and water. So you are always having 7 of them. So just always circle your answer around these 7 people. Okay. So for example, I can say carbohydrate. Simple lah. As a patient, of course, you need carbohydrate. Yes. Consume more carbohydrate. You can even suggest something like brown rice. Give a bit of healthy rice. For example, brown rice. Okay. Yep. So you can suggest the rice also, the item also. So why do we need this? It's because we need more energy. Again, as a patient, you have definitely lost a lot of energy during all the the process of treatment lah. Okay. Yeah. Etc. So definitely you need energy, and this can optimize health condition. Okay, next one. We talk about, let's say protein. Same thing also. Of course, you need more protein. You are having cancer. Your cells are being beaten. Your cells are being damaged. You need protein. So consume high protein. Okay, what is an example of good protein? You can say, let's say, chicken. Chicken is good because chicken is not so fat. Okay, and also maybe you can just suggest like egg or whatever. Okay, yep. So again, why do we need protein? This is to repair damaged tissue. Again, this is from your cancer, repair damaged tissue. Okay, what else you have? You can talk about fiber. Consume more fiber. This one very straightforward. It's just to prevent constipation. Okay, next one also very simple. You can talk about vitamins. So consume more vitamin and mineral. Okay, as you know, vitamin and mineral is making us healthy. So a healthy body can fight the cancer better lah. So this is actually to increase immunity. And also that they are able to actually produce enzyme. Okay, now this is like, your body, your vitamin, again, you don't learn this in your syllabus, but just for information, yes, vitamin, they always produce a lot of enzyme to actually break down a lot of your, body toxins. So that's why they are good, because they are able to produce any kind of coenzyme, chemical or whatever to, to remove the toxic stuff in your body. Okay, that's why, yes, you should be able to produce enzyme, and this can even break down cancer cell. Okay, yep, so these are the 4 key items over here. But of course, on top of that, we actually still have a few more things. This is actually what you should avoid. Okay, so other than this, you have a few other items you can avoid. So as a cancer patient, what do? You can avoid what? Yes. By the way, these two are fiber and vitamin. Just eat what? Simple. Fruit. Okay, just eat a lot of fruit. That's it. You can get all the thing. Okay. Yes. Okay. Good. Now, on top of that, we can also have a few things to avoid. Let me just quickly jot it down. Okay. So first of all, these are the things you can reduce. Okay. Definitely reduce carcinogen. If you smoke, please don't smoke. If you, carcinogen can be found in, let's say, in a lot of preservative. Yes, so try to eat stuff without so much preservative lah. Okay, 防腐剂 etc. is quite dangerous. It could somehow trigger your cancer lah. Okay, yes. So this is to reduce cancer development. What else to reduce? You can also reduce alcohol. This one I think very straightforward, because this one can reduce liver damage. Okay, alcohol damage your liver. 喝酒伤肝，听过了哈。Okay, and liver is important also, because liver is important to what? If you remember in chapter 2, detoxification. We need them to detoxify us. We need them to break down our toxin and everything. So when you have a not good liver, you definitely would easily suffer from cancer lah. Okay, yes. Moving on, salt also can. This one a bit far, but okay, can salt also. You can also reduce salt because this can prevent. This one a bit too specific, but sure. You can try to prevent stomach cancer. Again, like I said, this one is a little bit very specific, but yes, salt is also something that is quite dangerous, because salt can cause high blood pressure, can cause your blood to be very concentrated and everything. Okay, so it's not good also. Yep. And finally, reduce red meat. Okay, no explanation, just to reduce red meat. Basically, red meat is like what? Beef lah, lamb lah, all the kind of meat which is red colored. Those are red meat, which is very fat. Okay, very fat. Okay, cool. So these are the stuff to reduce. Okay, so that is it for this one. Okay. Actually, one more thing. This one, I think, again, is a very, again, like I said, all things over here are quite, a bit far already, a bit off topic. But there's another even off topic one. There's another very, very bonus. This is a bonus of the bonus. This one is very hard. But yeah, basically, they say you are able to also eat some kind of orange food, because orange food will contain, carotenoid. Okay, like I said, you would not know this. Okay, I don't expect you to know this, but it's okay. Yes, they can contain carotenoid, okay, or beta carotene. This is what makes something orange. So if you have this stuff, it actually can prevent, so you can protect body from free radical. Okay, so essentially it's the same concept as vitamin. Remember just now we said protect what enzyme to break down this is the same thing. It's the same thing. You can produce enzyme to digest so-called radical over here. Radical is like some sort of, how to say a radical, basically some sort of chemical in your body that is too free to do things, and they can actually harm you lah. They can actually cause cancer lah. They can actually cause a lot of stuff in your body. That's why we need to kill this radical. And how can we do this? We can do this by getting a lot of vitamin, and one such specific example is the carotenoid from orange food. Okay, this is able to protect you from free radical. Okay, yep, that's it for this question. Okay.